Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abril. Today I just wanted to review another product that I got on Amazon. It's the Flash Moment hair finishing cream. I've used it very few times, but we've been in quarantine. When I got it, we were in quarantine, so not like I really had to been able to go out and test it or anything, but I am just gonna really quickly put my hair up and see how it actually works, because I actually saw it on an Instagram ad and it was pretty convincing, but it looked almost way too easy. So I'm gonna just try it on with you guys here on camera. Alright, so I just put my hair up. I have little flyaways, right? I know it's not a perfect ponytail, but it's just kind of just to try it. So when it comes out of the product, it seems like there's not a lot of anything on it. But let's see. I don't know. It's supposed to just keep everything nice and together. So maybe if I would have actually done a nicer looking ponytail, this would be better. But it actually did go on as smooth as I saw it on Instagram. And it's definitely making my hair look better. I use a lot of heat, I guess, because I like to straighten my hair a lot. So when I wear a ponytail, I always have like little pieces that look broken. But I'm wondering if it's gonna feel like hard or something after. But let's see. It does kind of get stuck, like right there it got stuck a little bit at the end, so that's kind of annoying. Okay. Well, okay, so right now it feels nice, and if you touch it, there is some product that goes. It doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. But I mean, I like to leave these ones though. I don't like to put those up, but maybe I'll check back in a little bit and let you know how it turned out. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just chilling in the house, but we will see. So I guess it's good. I think it was like $12 and it comes in a pack of 2. Now, me personally, I don't see myself going through this whole thing for a really long time, so I hope that this being in the box stays really well. It has an expiration date from like 2 years from now, a little over 2 years, so we'll see. But yeah, for now that's all I have. Let me know what you think, if you bought it, if it works for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.